Can I have that, please? And what's in your mouth? Dame? Gimme. Here, you can have this piece back. No, I don't want it. No, thank you. You want it? Say daddy.